Hello students, so after structure we are going to study union. Union is also one of the user defined data type, just like the structure. Do you remember we have done this example in our last class? Let us continue with union. It's user defined data type, but this is important. What is the difference? Structure is also one user defined data type, but what is the difference? Union is used to save the memory. Let us go through the definition of union. It's UDD, user defined data type. It is a collection of variable of different type stored in the same memory location. The difference between structure and union is about memory allocation. The union fields share the same memory space, so new data replace the existing data. What is the meaning of it? I will explain you. And the difference between union and structure, that is most important. Okay, union will save the memory as compared to the structure. I will show you. Here is an example of structure and there is an example of union. Do you remember structure? How does it work? Struct keyword, then structure name, then structure member. Here I am declaring three members. One is character, then short, then float, and structure over. So what will happen? In the memory, it will get space allocated like this. Character will occupy 1 byte, short integer will occupy 2 bytes, and float will occupy 4 bytes. This is the memory allocation mechanism of structure. Here, let us go through the union. To declare a union, we have to use keyword union. This is difference number 1. Here struct keyword is there, here union keyword is there. Then you can give any name. Just like structure, you can give any name to your union. You can declare member. Here I am declaring character, short, and float. So how the memory allocation will be there? So which variable require the maximum memory? Character need 1 byte, short need 2 byte, and float need 4 byte. So in union, it will allocate only 4 byte. Then they will store short, then they will store float. So when you are storing float, it will override character and short. So it will save the memory. Here you have to allocate 4 plus 2 plus 1, total 7 bytes. Here you have to allocate only 4 bytes. This is the main difference. Syntax and structure will be like this. Okay, union, first union keyword, then union name, then declare data type, and then you have to put a semicolon at the end of the union, just like structure. We are declaring some variables and we have to end it. How to call members of union? You have to declare union variable. It's a user defined data type, so you can declare your variable by using this data type. Union mixed all. Mixed is the name of your union and all is the variable, right? And it will get memory allocation like this. Here there is a float, so it will allocate 4 byte, 5000, that is address of byte number 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, it will allocate 4 byte. When it wants to store character, it will use 1 byte. When it wants to store integer, it will use, what is the name of integer? Number. So when it wants to store a number, it will use 2 byte. When it want to store letter, it will use 1 byte. When it want to store radian, radian is float, so it will use all 4 bytes. This is the basic mechanism of union. Now the difference between structure and union is most IMP, right? Basic difference I have already explained you here. Okay, the basic difference is about memory allocation. But there are so many differences, like see, there is different keyword. So detailed difference I have given here. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this slide and you can just read it out. I have mentioned total 7 differences. Okay students, so this was your union and this is your structure. If you have any doubt, then you can put it in the comment box. The video of structure that I have recorded previously, that I will put it in the comment box. Okay everyone, thank you so much. Bye bye.